हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। ये हमारे ट्रिप की लास्ट एपिसोड है और हम वापसी पे बहुत सी जगहों पर रुकेंगे और आपको बहुत सी जगह दिखाएंगे। एंजॉय द वीडियो। उठता हूँ तो ये एक मेरा ये व्यू है, एक मेरा ये व्यू है और ये हम जब ट्रेलर से बाहर निकलते हैं इस वक्त ये हमारा व्यू है। इस वक्त बारिश थोड़ी सी रुकी थी और थोड़ा सा लमिया ने हमें ब्रीदर दिया कि हम लोग अपनी बोट पैक कर लें। हमने अपनी बोट जो है वो पैक कर ली है, सीटें वगैरह अंदर रख दी हैं साफ़ करके धो के, इसको भी साफ़ कर लिया हमने। सिंपल चिकन है, थाई चिकन, इसमें नमक मिर्च और काली मिर्च डाली है हमने। इसको हम ग्रिल के ऊपर रखने लगे हैं एज इट इज। ये फायर पिट के पास एक छोटा सा स्ट्रॉबेरी का प्लांट है और इसको स्ट्रॉबेरीज लगी हुई हैं, सो प्रिटी। चेक करें, चिकन इज रेडी। अब हम देखते हैं कि इसको किस तरह पिज्जा में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है। रेडी हो गए, अमेजिंग, 2 thumbs up।
आप किधर? यक, गीला हाथ, यक यक।
So we are in Maynooth town और यहाँ पे तकरीबन सब चीज़ें बंद हैं। एक शॉप खुली थी जिसके साथ हमारी गपशप हुई है और मैं उसको अपनी वीडियो में ऐड करूँगा।
Carriage house in Maynooth, and we're actually a mini farmers market. We're all former farmers market vendors.
Okay.
And we're just getting too old to set up and pack up and sell and pack up and go home.
Okay.
So we're here. There's 14 of us.
I see. Okay.
Everybody here has to live here, work here, or volunteer within the community in some way. So
very nice.
Everything you spend stays here. We're a bank in the 1800s.
I see. Okay. So this building is very old.
This building it was from the 1800s, and then over the years it's morphed, and there was a walkway through to the other shop. Currently,
That's very nice.
Anyway.
Can we take her around here?
Sure you can. I can tell you about the potter. She's 84 years old.
Wow.
Her pots, she pots every week. She keeps bringing us new stuff.
So they are locally made.
All over, just south of Bancroft, and
Okay.
everything is wholesale price. We get other vendors from other stores buying her stuff
Okay.
and other things in the shop. And they then they mark it up and sell it in their shop because the prices are so reasonable. Okay, that's him.
Okay. He makes all these.
He does all the pictures that are on the wall.
Okay.
And his wife Leslie is Mad Beaver Knitting. Everything she does just out of her head, and it's
so these are handmade.
So Mad Beaver Unique Hand Knits. And again, her prices are wholesale prices.
Beautiful.
She's happy.
And you're okay with me putting this on the YouTube, right?
Absolutely.
Okay,
that's
beautiful. All right, let's get our stuff. Thank you very much for telling us all the history and other important information about the area.
Oh, you're welcome.
I will definitely add it in my video so that more people will come to the area. Kawartha Dairy. So this is a regular stop. Whenever we go to the north, we stop for an ice cream. Especially Hassan wants to stop for an ice cream.
Pistachio almond and maple walnut.
Nice. That's good. $47? And you restored it yourself? Wow. This place is called Burleigh Falls. We are taking a break on the way back. And this is another lock. And I'll show you how the locks are filled up. So these boats are coming from the other side where the elevation of the lakes is low. And now the lock is being filled up, and then these boats are going to come into this water channel and then go into that lake. Here the doors are opening now. So once these doors open, these boats will come out one by one. There we go, the first one is coming out. Boats are going to enter from this side into the lock so that they can go down in the lake on the other side. I'll see if I can go to the other side actually. Ye lower side ka waiting area. The blue one is the waiting area, but other than that, you can stay the night there. How's the traffic these days? You mind if I keep recording?
Yeah, go ahead.
How's the traffic these days?
Today, busy. Yesterday, not really.
Okay. So it's still not really busy as it used to be, right?
No.
Yeah, we have crossed this area a few times and it was extremely busy at that time, especially over the weekends. So these are the people who are responsible for the operations of these locks. And they're the ones who are running the show.
Yep.
You can give us a thumbs up. Thank you. The lock is opening, so I'll just make a short video there. Thank you. This lock, Burleigh Falls Lock, this is 24 feet high. The drop from this water level to the level on the other side is 24 feet. We're just taking a quick break at a farmer's market. So lots of beautiful flowers. Leah's farm and market. Chicken coop कितना खूबसूरत बना हुआ है. On the wheel, trailer based, you can move it around. ये मुर्गियाँ रखी हुई थी ना, कैनेडियन मुर्गियाँ कहते थे. हमें कनाडा का कुछ पता नहीं था उस वक्त. लेकिन यहाँ देखिए तो ये बिल्कुल वही मुर्गियाँ होती हैं, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी हो जाती थी. मुर्गा है वो 7-8 किलो का मुर्गा हो गया था हमारा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक का बटन दबाना मत भूलिएगा. अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया आपने तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें. बेल का आइकन दबाने से आपको इस चैनल पे जितनी वीडियोस आ रही हैं उनका पता चलता रहेगा. देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया.